Need help using the library? We got you covered. UCR has two on-campus libraries, Rivera by the Bell Tower and Orbach by the School of Medicine, where students can get work done or just relax in between classes. Orbach is home to the Creator Lab, where Highlanders have access to 3D printers, sewing and embroidery machines, and even button makers. Both libraries have group study rooms, comfortable seating, reservable laptops, computer workstations, printers, and scanners. Students can check out books and other materials like calculators, phone chargers, and markers at the Circulations Reserves desks in both libraries. Need a library card? No worries! Your R card is your library card. The library has course reserves of selected textbooks that students can check out for short periods of time. The library also gives you access to hundreds of databases to use for your academic work. Not sure where to start? Library staff can help you find resources or research topics. Get help at library.ucr.edu/ask. For more information about our libraries, services, and hours, check out library.ucr.edu.